Meaning of decimation.
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 Decimation. The term decimation refers to the process of reducing something, typically a quantity or population, by 1/10. The resulting effect is a significant decrease in the overall size or number of the subject being impacted by the decimation process. In some contexts, it may also refer to the removal of every 10th item in a set or the destruction of a large portion of people or animals as a form of punishment. Ultimately, decimation implies a significant reduction in the original size or number and can have a profound impact on the affected population.